Hello students, in today math class we will discuss remaining problems of exercise 1.4. Now question 7 is given a set equals to set of all those x's such that x is a natural number. Now this set contain all the natural numbers that are 1, 2, 3 so on. Set b is equal to set of all those x's such that x is an even natural number. Now this set contain even natural numbers and that are 2, 4, 6 so on. C set equals to set of all those x's such that x is an odd natural number and these are 1, 3, 5, 7 so on. And D set equals to set of all those x's such that x is a prime number. Now this set contains prime numbers that are 2, 3, 5, 7 so on. Now in first part we have to take A intersection B. Now take the common elements of A and B and that are even natural numbers that are 2, 4, 6, 8 so on, that is equal to B set. In second part we have to find A intersection C. Now take the common elements of A and C that are odd natural numbers that is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 so on, which is equal to C set. In third part A intersection D. Now take the common elements of A and D that are prime numbers which are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 so on, which is equal to D set. In fourth part B intersection C. Now take the intersection of B and C. Common element of B and C are, because B set contain even natural number, C set contain odd natural number, so there is no common element, we can write it as empty set. In fifth part B intersection D, that is equal to, now take the B common elements of B and D that are even prime numbers which are only 1, that is equal to 2. This set contain only one element, that is 2. In sixth part C intersection D. Now take the common elements of C and D and that are odd prime numbers which are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. So we can write set of all those x's such that x is an odd prime numbers. We can write it like this. Now next question is question number 8. Which of the following are disjoint sets? Now we know disjoint sets. What are disjoint sets? Two sets are disjoint if their intersection is 5. 5 means empty set. Now here we have given two sets. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Elements of first set are 1, 2, 3, 4 and elements of second set are set of all those x's such that x belongs to natural number and x lies between 4 and 6, including 4 and 6 also. So let us suppose this set is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set, elements of B set are 4, 5 and 6. Now see the common elements between these two sets. So here A intersection B and that is equal to 4 which is not equal to 5. Clear? So we can write given two sets have a common element 4 and hence these are not disjoint sets. So in first part A and B are not disjoint sets. Second part, here two sets are, first set contain elements A, E, I, O, U and second set contain the elements C, D, E, F. Now see the common elements. So here E is common to both the sets. We can write in given two sets element E is common, hence these are not disjoint set because their intersection is not equal to 5. Now next part is third part. X is an even integer and x is an odd integer. These are two sets. Now see the common elements of these two sets, because first set contain even integer and second set contain odd integer. So there is no common element. Hence we can write given two sets have no element in common and hence are disjoint sets. So this is the example of a disjoint sets because their intersection is 5. Now in question number 9 we have given 4 set A, B, C, D. The elements of A set are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B set 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C set equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And D set equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Now to find in first part A minus B. So here we have to take the elements of A set but not the elements of B set. So these are 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. We have to take the elements of A set but not the elements of B set. Clear? Now in second part A minus C. Here we have to take the elements of A set but not the elements of C set. That is equal to 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Next part, A minus D. Now here we have to take the elements of A set but not the elements of D set. That are 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Next part, fourth part, B minus A. Here we have to consider the elements of B set but not the elements of A set. That are 4, 8, 16, 20. Fifth part, C minus A. Now this set contain all the elements of C but not the elements of A set. That is equal to 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. In next part, sixth, D minus A. This set contain all the elements of D but not the elements of A, which is equal to 5, 10, 20. In seventh part, B minus C. Now take the elements of B set but not the element of C set. That is equal to 20. Because B set contain element 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and C set contain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So here there is only one element which comes in B minus C, that is 20. Because 4, 8, 12, 16 are also present in C set also. Clear? In next, eighth part, B minus D. Here B minus D contain all the elements of B but not the element of D. That is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Now in ninth part, C minus B. C minus B contain the elements of C but not the elements of B. That is equal to 2, 6, 10, 14. D minus B, it contains the element of D set but not the element of B set. That is equal to 5, 10, 15. In 11th part, C minus D. This set contains the elements of C set but not the elements of D set. That is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. In 12th part, it is D minus C. This set contains the elements of D set but not the element of C set. That is equal to 5, 15, 20. Similarly, question number 10 is, here given X set is equal to ABCD and Y set equal to FDBG. Now find X minus Y. So as we know, X minus Y is the set of elements of X but not of the elements of Y. And that is equal to, now take the elements of X but not the elements of Y. That is only A and C. It contains two elements AC. Second part, Y minus X. So this is a set of elements of Y but not the elements of X, which is equal to, यहाँ पे Y के elements लेंगे but X का उसमें element नहीं लेना है. So here it contains the element F and G. In third part, X intersection Y. Take the common element of X and Y. That is B and D. Set of common elements of X and Y. Clear? Now question number 11 is given R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? So if we subtract rational number from real numbers, we get an irrational number because R contains set of rational number as well as irrational numbers. So R minus Q is the set of irrational number because R contains set of rational as well as set of irrational numbers. Clear? Now 12th question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. यहाँ पे हमें स्टेटमेंट दी है, हमें बताना है ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट इट इज गिवन 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So by the definition of disjoint set, we have to take firstly intersection of these two sets, A intersection B, and that is equal to 3, but which is not equal to 5. So hence these are not disjoint sets. So this statement is false. You can write false because A intersection B is equal to only 3 set, that is not equal to 5, which implies A and B are not disjoint, where A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B set equal to 3, 6. ठीक है, हमने फर्स्ट सेट को A कंसिडर कर लिया है और सेकंड सेट को B कंसिडर कर लिया है. So A and B intersection is not equal to 5, so this is not an example of disjoint set. Second part, AEIOU and ABCD. Now here we have to consider A is equal to, capital A set is equal to AEIOU and B set equal to ABCD. Now see the intersection of these two sets, A intersection B, that is equal to one element A. Clear? That is not equal to 5. This is not an empty set. Hence this is also a false statement. We can write this statement is false because A intersection B is equal to A set, that is not equal to 5. Hence A and B are not disjoint sets.